Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I blow out my hair using very minimal heat. I truly think that this is my favorite way to blow out my hair now. I'm gonna walk you guys through some products that I also use and really just wanting to show you guys what I do when my hair is wet on days where I have to wash it and blow it out, because if you guys don't know, I have very curly, frizzy hair. I'm very excited to be partnering with Dyson to bring you guys this hair video. The Airwrap to me is very essential for my hair just because I'm not the kind of girl who likes to let my hair air dry. I always have to blow it out whenever I wash my hair that day. Blowing it out really just keeps it smooth and sleek. I don't know, it just looks really blown out and I just love that look as well. So the best part about the Dyson Airwrap is that you can curl your hair, you can wave your hair, you can blow your hair out, dry it, and also just smooth it out or straighten it without using extreme heat. We all know that a lot of heat from hair tools can really damage your hair and also just prevent it from being healthy and grow out properly. And I think with having used this tool for several months now, I genuinely have gotten the hang of it, and I have definitely noticed that my hair is so much healthier. It is growing out, which is something that doesn't really happen, and I just genuinely like the way it makes my hair feel. It looks like it was just professionally blown out, but I did it at home and it didn't take very long either. The Airwrap is very versatile, which is really great, and I know it is a very expensive tool, but when you really get to play with it and try it out, you really understand the science behind it and why these items are priced so high. I'm gonna walk you guys through what the Airwrap consists of in terms of like the attachments and how it all works, and then you guys will see a little demo of me basically blowing out my hair and then showing you guys the curling portion of the Airwrap tool. So this is the Airwrap. Sorry, it's kind of all over the place right now. It's plugged into the wall. Here's everything for you guys. I'll do close-ups too, but I definitely want to show you guys how it works. So the first attachment that I always go in with is the pre-styler. You'll see me use this in just a minute. But the pre-styler is basically helps to kind of dry the hair up before you go in and use the attachments. It is highly recommended to use more so damp hair. I will use to the point where my hair is pretty much about 80% dry, and then I'll go in with the other attachments and style my hair, and it also dries it at the same time. You have the famous barrels. So there are two different sizes. So this is the smaller barrel and then this is the larger barrel. You have the firm smoothing brush. If you have more medium to coarse hair, this is the tool for you when it comes to smoothing out your hair. We have the soft smoothing brush, and this one's a little bit more flexible. This is for fine to normal. So I use this one for my hair. It's the smoothing brush. And then we have this guy, which is your typical round brush. And this is their volumizing brush. This basically is able to volumize your hair, especially for getting the fringe around my face. But if you do love that like big voluminous look, you can totally really lift and pull with this, and it really gives you so much volume. It's amazing. So really love that. And then this is just the engine of the tool. So this thing is really light. I'm going to fast forward to earlier when I had wet hair and just showing you guys how the tool works, and then I'll come back at the end. So here we go. Okay, so I start with obviously washed hairs. So I'm gonna use the 7 seconds detangler. This is truly one of the best detanglers out there, and I have super tangly hair when I get out of the shower, and this stuff just makes it really easy to brush out. I'm gonna take the R&Co High Dive Moisture and Shine Cream. I'm like almost out of this stuff. It's so good. I put like a quarter size amount in, and I just start from the ends and work my way up, but really focusing on the end. So this is the Gizu Honey Infused Hair Oil. I love this stuff. I always put it in my hair when it's wet. I take like a big glob of it like this, just like this amount. And then I just put this on the ends of my hair. And then I'm gonna part it. The middle parting like this. Okay, so we're gonna start with the pre-styler. I'm gonna stick that bad boy on and just give it a go. Okay, now that we're done with the pre-styling, my hair is like probably like 70–80% dry, and we're putting on this smoothing brush. This is the favorite of the faves. I'm gonna do it on the high setting as well, and then I'm also gonna part my hair. Basically just brush my hair out with this over and over again, and it starts to smooth and dry the hair at the same time. So let's go. Okay, so that was the smoothing brush. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the volumizing brush, and this we're gonna do like the fringe and then like all these like little baby hairs right there. I need to like use with this. Okay, so and then I'm gonna take my fringe like this, and I'm gonna place it like right here, and we're just gonna start to like roll it back. Okay, so this is my hair styled, blown out with the Airwrap. It's literally so good. Like, look how smooth. It looks like I took like major heat and like even like a straightening iron to like make it that sleek and smooth. I feel like it looks like I took like a straightener to my hair, but this is just blowing it out. And it looks so healthy, and it's like still bouncy. Even though I didn't do major volume, it still looks so bouncy and just like so healthy. My baby hairs here aren't like sticking out. Like a lot of the times I'll have like, you know, I have breakage in the front of my hair just because I have a lot of fine hair, and a lot of the times you'll see like it kind of frayed out. But with this, it just grabs my hair and really smooths it all together. Like every single piece of hair is styled and no one gets left behind. Okay, so now that I finally like put my makeup on, before I head out, I want to quickly show you guys how I use the curling barrel of this, just because this is pretty much like the main thing you'll see marketed towards the Airwrap. So there are two barrels. I'm taking the bigger one, and there's two different arrows, as you can see. So this one, you want it to kind of point in the direction of which you want your hair and the curls to go. So I want my curls to go away from my face, so that's why I'm picking the arrows that go away from my face. If I wanted to do like a 50s Hollywood look, I would switch it around and I would pick the one that brings the curls in, going inward towards my face. And then I'm just gonna take, let's see, like let's just take this section of hair. I take about 1-inch sections. Ga-boom. Bing, boom, boom. So it's actually really easy to create these curls. I feel like a lot of people think, you know, this tool is like really difficult to use, and it is a different tool, so you are gonna need time to like get used to it, but for the most part, it's not hard at all. You don't need to leave it on for long either. Just let it kind of bounce like that. So if you do use the smaller one, you're gonna get tighter curls, which are also really nice as well, but I'm not gonna do curls today. I'm gonna do the blowout. So I'm gonna blow my hair back out. Alrighty guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed blowing my hair out with me and just seeing how this air wrap works. If you are interested, I will have the link down below for you guys. If you are on the market to splurge on a really great hair tool, this is wonderful because you get so many different like attachments and so many different styles. And I just feel like my hair is definitely feeling healthier and longer just because it's not having as much heat anymore, and I really truly like it. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more hair tutorial videos, let me know down in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!